Whether you have limited time, a lack of skills in the kitchen, or just need to easily reheat your leftovers, there are plenty of reasons we rely on microwaves. They're a kitchen staple, but that doesn't mean that they're all created equally. There are a few considerations to think about when you're looking for a countertop microwave. The major factors to consider when shopping are the style, budget, and capabilities, says Allison Grady of the Home Depot. Countertop microwaves are often the more budget-friendly solution and can accommodate any kitchen budget, Grady says. They come in a variety of finishes to serve as a cohesive addition to any kitchen design. We've rounded up the 8 best countertop microwaves from an adorable retro model that makes a statement while it heats.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Toshiba MLEM34 PSS Smart Countertop Microwave Oven. The Toshiba MLEM34 PSS Smart Countertop Microwave is the best overall countertop microwave because of both its basic, tried and true functions, like its power settings and presets, as well as its innovation. It can be controlled via your Amazon or Echo with your voice, which means that you can heat up your food hands-free. You can also program up to 23 preset time menus on the microwave's accompanying app. For example, if you pop leftover pizza into the microwave, you can just say, "Alexa, reheat my pizza," and the microwave will heat your pizza for the appropriate time. The microwave has a capacity of 1.3 cubic feet, which is on the more compact side as far as size goes, but it is small but mighty. It boasts 1100 watts. Number 2. Breville BM0650 SIL Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave Oven. The Breville BM0650 SIL Compact Wave Soft Close Microwave is stylish in a stainless silver finish, and it's only 0.9 cubic feet. It's the best countertop microwave to splurge on, not only because of its aesthetics, but because of its function. It has one-touch buttons that can perform oft-repeated tasks, which include making popcorn, heating a beverage, reheating, and defrosting. This compact microwave has a soft close door, so you can make less noise while heating up those leftovers. Additionally, if you prefer a quieter microwave, you can mute all of the beeps on the microwave. The microwave also has a child lock that keeps your kiddos from using it when they. Number 3. Comfy CMM091AGN Retro Microwave with Multi-Stage Cooking. If you love decorating with retro motifs, this comfy retro microwave will add both visual interest and practicality to your kitchen. It comes in 3 colorways: retro green, retro apricot, and retro red. To set your cook time, you use a rotary knob instead of buttons, which adds to the retro feel of the appliance. At 0.9 cubic feet, the comfy retro microwave may be small. It measures 15.41 x 19.09 x 11.51 inches, but it doesn't skimp on power. It's a 900-watt microwave, which is slightly less than a standard microwave's power. The turntable measures 10.62 inches in diameter, so you can easily fit a plate. Number 4. Panasonic NNSN 936B Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NNSN 963B microwave oven is the best countertop microwave for someone with a large family or a love of entertaining. With higher power comes shorter cook times, and this 1250-watt microwave cooks food more quickly than the standard microwave. The 2.2 cubic foot microwave is available in 2 colors, black or white. Like the other Panasonic microwaves on this list, this large capacity microwave also has inverter technology. Inverter technology microwaves food with a steady stream of power in order to evenly cook it at any temperature. This means no more hot outsides, but lukewarm, or still frozen, middles or spillage and splatters, because your beverage or soup's heated unevenly. The microwave also has a genius sensor that automatically adjusts power and time. Number 5. Panasonic NNSN67K Microwave Oven. If you have stainless steel appliances in your kitchen, the Panasonic NNSN67K will both fit in seamlessly and suit your needs. This microwave features 11 power levels, plus a 3-level popcorn button and 16 auto-cook options. It even has a reheat option for when you leave your coffee out on the counter for too long. It also has a genius sensor which measures the amount of steam that comes off of your food to determine how much longer it needs to cook. If you often heat up larger amounts of food, this is the best microwave for you, since it has a 13.5-inch turntable. The Panasonic NNS N67K also has inverter technology microwaves that don't have this technology use pulses of power to cook food, but this microwave uses a continuous stream of power to. Number 6. Gallons GTWH G12S1SA10 4-in-1 ToastWave. If you are tired of pulling on multiple appliances or simply don't have the storage space, this microwave is the perfect solution. The Gallons GTWH G12S1SA10 4-in-1 ToastWave is the best countertop microwave air fryer combo, and it even quadruples as a toaster and convection oven. It has TotalFry 360 technology, which means that it can act as an air fryer and cook whatever you want with little to no oil, since it circulates air. It also has inverter technology, which means that it cooks your food more evenly. Rather than only heating the outside of the food, it cooks the inside at the same rate. It has a capacity of 1.2 cubic feet, meaning it can fit plenty of food, including a 12.6-inch personal pizza. The multitasking appliance features a humidity sensor, which ensures that your food